what kind of audience are you expecting for Barzakh? हर बंदा तो नहीं देख के समझने वाला कि इसमें क्या हो रहा है,
और हर बंदे को शायद पसंद भी ना आए.
Yeah, मुझे लगता है पसंद सबको आएगी. People will be very intrigued by it because I mean the opening scene, episode 1, and people are going to be like,
हो हाय अल्लाह होगा खुशहाल को
वो
देख
तो
के
होगा,
अनीका
वो
के
तो
साथ.
होगा, but that's the question only खुशहाल and अनीका.
फिर सोल से मुलाकातें हो रही हैं, उसमें शायद उनको अच्छा ना लगे.
Let's not think about that. Let's let the verdict come in.
No, I'm not saying think about it. I'm just saying that when you present something like Barzakh, what do you expect your audience to be like? Do you expect people like the diaspora to watch it? Because Javi OTT पे रहा है, I think YouTube पे भी आएगा साथ ही.
In my opinion, मुझे लगता है कि अब तो दिमाग बहुत उस तरह से खुल गए हैं. So maybe that people, even if they're not prepared, you never know what to expect. So मुझे लगता है कि I always feel I can't label कि कौन सी audience देखेगी. I say that leave it up to whoever comes and wants to watch it. And then we sit down and then we analyze and say कि why or yes ये हुआ, क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, all of that.
There's always an audience for a particular story. Mass appeal शायद ना हो, but it'll find its.
मगर
हम ये क्यों बातें कर रहे हैं कि mass appeal ना हो? इससे move on करें हम.
नहीं इसलिए भी है क्योंकि अब it's bilingual, बहुत majorly it's in English. वो भी तो लोगों को language.
That's for you to analyze. Why are you asking us this?
I'm asking you what to expect.
Expect wonders, expect magic, expect to be blown away, expect to be intrigued beyond belief. ऐसा कभी आपने कुछ देखा नहीं है, ऐसा set, ऐसे रंग, ऐसे रिश्ते.
मैं इसलिए भी पूछ रही हूँ because हम जब टेलीविजन की बात करते हैं तो हम बार-बार कहते हैं कि जी हम producers say we're making content that people want to watch. And we keep saying कि यार ऐसा content बनाएं जो कि ज़रा सा elevate हो standard, ये भी लोग देखेंगे. तो मैं तो आई होप कि लोग इसको भी देख के कहें कि यार ऐसा कंटेंट टेलीविजन पे बनाएं. You know, because
तो फिर because this is one of its kind, I think let this go through first and then we'll better be able to judge that situation. Because आप जो बात कर रहे हो मुझे समझ आ रही है. But वो तो फिर वक्त ही बताएगा. जब ये चलेगा और उसके बाद because you can't really like I said, how can we gauge a reaction until it's not come out? And if we start labeling that, I think we'll be kind of pigeonholing ourselves for no reason at all. So I feel that let it come out, and then let's see what happens from there.
I think क्योंकि वो YouTube पे आ रहा है, that's a huge plus point.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? It just opens up the audience.
Yes.
Scale more. अगर ये सिर्फ ऐप पे होता Z5 के तो फिर बहुत limit होता.
We still can't subscribe to the app.
But that's why they put it on.
So YouTube पे, I think that
it's important for
it opens it up to everyone.
Yeah, that it's on. Absolutely.
और क्योंकि टीवी पे नहीं आ रहा, that's a good thing maybe because awam still everyone comes to YouTube. Everyone watches YouTube. Everyone will be intrigued because of the way it's being marketed, the cast. तो सब देखने जरूर आएंगे. And then I guess we're just waiting to see कि लोगों को किस तरह
लगा. Does music play a part in the series?
I've not heard it, but जो मैंने अभी ट्रेलर में सुना, I was blown away by it.
हमने भी तो एक वो किया था जिस तरह मौला में हुआ था. सब
I don't know if that's still there.
अच्छा?
I don't know.
क्या किया तो बताएं?
है? अभी भी है?
एक गाना है जो हम सारे characters one by one गाते in a scene.
Okay, nice.
You know, like the way they done it in Mola, we'd also.
And that's all we must say now.
Shot it.
Leave it up. It's a much later episode.
चलो फिर भी something to look forward to.
Music पे बात हुई तो एक ये
गाना भी है. गाना है, action है, romance है. कॉमेडी है, सब कुछ है इस फिल्म में. हमारे बीच कुछ नहीं है.
सिर्फ इनके बीच में नहीं है, रोमांस है.
इंटेंस बातें बहुत हैं हमारी.
जी रूहें भी हैं. रूहें भी हैं.
हॉरर भी है.
हॉरर तो खैर है ही.
फुल हाउस फिल्म.
हाँ हॉरर तो है ही. वो जो आखिरी उनका आता है ना वो सांप जो इटर्निटी वाला वो सब निकाल के ये तो साइंटोलॉजी और इल्यूमिनाटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं.
इल्यूमिनाटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं.
हाँ भाई बरज़ख का जो ए है.
बरज़ख का जो ए है वो इल्यूमिनाटी. फवाद खान ने साइंटोलॉजी की
नहीं मैंने क्यों ये आसम होगा ये सी he must be associated with the Illuminati. I'm just joking, yeah. Please don't
take it seriously.
Yeah. Don't go
There's
after
somebody on
pitchforks.
Twitter who's really analyzing Barzakh really well. From the tree of life to the Ouroboros. Which is the snake eating itself.
Is that what it's called?
It's like eternity, na?
Yeah, but I don't know that's
the tree of life, the snake, even the signs of A, They've picked up on the symbolism just from the trailers and teasers.
Yeah, it's deep.
Which is
very interesting,
nice.
actually.
So it kind of involves you in a mental capacity. It's not it's not a hard watch, but it's like an engaging watch that way. So I think that's a good thing.
Right.
It's nice that the आहिस्ता release करें 2 week आपको उसको digest करने का मौका मिलेगा.
बार-बार देखें.
Questioning, you know,
जब तक आपको समझ ना आ जाए देखते
हाँ, your viewers will be asking you questions. I think it'll open up the floor to your audience who turn to the reviewer pages to kind of get an understanding, and then you'll see एक दूसरों की conversations so start हो जाती हैं.
बिल्कुल. So guys, there's a younger cast in Barzakh as well, especially Khushal and Anika is very new.
And younger than them also.
And younger than them as well.
And Tehreem.
Yeah.
These are the 2 kids.
So like the veteran actors, how was your equation with the younger ones? And you know, they're so good, Khushal and Anika both. Anika ne bhi 2 dramas kiye hain. And I think, but she shot filmed this before her dramas came out.
We didn't shoot with them.
No scenes with them.
With the Khushal and Anika, not with them. With the
children,
children, yes.
Felt that maybe Khushal would be your younger self, like bachpan ka, you know?
Yeah.
Or your son. But aisa nahi hai, you have a much younger son.
Let's see.
हम लोग उनके साथ act नहीं कर रहे थे, हमारे scenes अलग थे, but
I work with Salman Saab in our जो हमारी senior actor category उनमें with Salman Saab. Then I work with Uzma ji. She played my mother, and I think with both of them I had an amazing time. Right. Sajid Saab, I worked with him as well.
For the first time?
For the first time. And I had it was amazing. I love all these people. I had a great time with them.
Salman Shahid was
so good.
We were blown away.
Yeah. He's so good. Absolutely.
Yeah. Did you know, and I mentioned, again, it's worth a mention every time, that Salman Saab is originally a graduate in cinematography.
Really? And I didn't know that.
He's a cinematographer. He told me that.
Wow.
I believe from Moscow.
Moscow.
Interesting.
Yeah. How cool is that?
That's really cool.
He told me about this on the set, and I was like, you know, we must do something together in which you're the DOP then.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so now Barzakh and then Shandur and then Jo Bache Hain Sang Samet, which now I can like say.
And just when you got it, the name might change.
Really?
Well,
good. I'm glad. It's
which
too
one?
much of a tongue twister.
I mean, a derivative from the Jo Bache Hain Sang Samet.
It's too much of a tongue twister. I mean, लोगों को कहाँ समझ आएगा?
Sang Samet lo, Jo Bache Hain.
Jo Bache Hain Sang Samet lo.
हाँ, but what you could make a shorter version of that.
हाँ, तो and you keep saying the floodgates are now opening. So अब बताएं what can people look forward to now with both of you, with your personal like work and work you're doing together? क्या हो रहा है? नीलोफर का क्या हो रहा है फवाद? 2 साल पहले वो तैयार थी फिल्म.
नीलोफर की बारात निकलने वाली है बस. अनकरीब. सच बता.
बरज़ख से ना निकल रही हो उसकी.
नहीं वो तो फिर बारात नहीं, फिर उसका मैयत निकल रही होगी. अस्तगफिरुल्लाह. But अनकरीब नीलोफर की बारात निकल.
नहीं, that's too big. No, we need a date.
विदाई होने वाली.
We need a date.
We need a date?
Yes.
That's not my department.
Whose department is it?
Next year.
You are producer.
I'll put the person whose department is in that seat right now.
Are you not producer of?
I am producer, but again, that's not my department. Release is
it ready?
It is ready.
Like fully ready now? Post production में?
Post production भी उसकी तकरीबन हो चुकी है.
हो चुकी है.
Yeah.
इस साल उम्मीद रखें कि नहीं?
रख भी सकते.